could tell by the title. If you don't know me, my name is Nisha, but I go by True. Today I'm going to be flat ironing my natural hair. I will insert a picture of how my hair looked after I washed it so you guys can see. My hair is very thick and I did cut it recently. So yeah, today I'm going to be flat ironing it silky straight. And first thing y'all gonna need is a flat iron. The one I use is the Infinity Pro by Conair. It's real good, and I just set it to like 25 on here. You're gonna need a hair clip or some hair clips, or you're gonna need a hair tie. Also gonna need a brush and a comb. A rat tail comb is preferred, but you can use a comb like this or a comb just like with small teeth comb, small tooth comb. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into the video. So I have had the flat ironers on for about 2 minutes while I was setting up my phone camera and things like that. So I can tell this is just my hair. I used to get perms, but I haven't got a perm in 2 years, and I cut off the perm ends like the day that I off, which I think that was Valentine's Day, and today is like the 28th. So y'all, first thing you want to do when you're flat ironing your own hair is first you want to just take a bunch of it, right? And you want to just put it up. So for flat ironing your hair, you don't need to know the exact measurements of how much is, like, you don't need to see really to flat iron your hair. You just take off the line in the back, and this is the easiest way I found, and it doesn't take me that long, the most about like 30 minutes to flat iron my hair. So you just want to take that part out, and then this is what's left. I don't know if y'all can see or not, but basically while you're flat ironing your hair and you know you're doing it yourself, you can just, you know, you can actually feel. So you want to get the roots of your hair. Like, okay, I'm going to show you guys. You want to get the roots first. And don't forget, you guys, to have a comb handy, because you're going to need a comb. Because in order to get your hair silky straight, you need a comb. And also, you don't have to put a lot of oil on your hair for it to be silky straight. You can put oil at the end, but like a little bit, or your hair is going to be sticky and So basically, I take the comb and I try to feel where I put it at, and I just like that. And then, ooh, y'all see how my hair looks so thin? Because I just had my hair done in like a ponytail for a few weeks, and I didn't wash it before I'm doing this. Also, if you want, if y'all want better results with your flat iron, make sure you wash your hair before you flat iron it. It could still come out okay or good, but just washing your hair, making sure there's no oil really in it, really plays a big part. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna go over it one more time. Okay, so that's that, and I'm gonna do the back now, and then I'll come back when I get to the front, and well, not to the front, but to the middle, so you guys can see how I flat iron the middle. The back, I just take rows until I get like about right here, and then I start flat ironing from that way. So I'll get back with you guys in a few. Okay guys, so okay y'all, so I'm basically done with the back. This is how it looks. It didn't take me long. It took me about 10 minutes to just do this right here. And then as y'all can see, it's very silky. And now I'm going to show y'all the top part. So at the top, I section it off in two, like here. So I'm going to use the ponytail holder for this, well, for this side. And then here, I'm just going to start flat ironing. Oh wait, let me comb that out because, or a brush. Now I'm just going to part a section like that. And I'm going to flat iron like that. Then I'm just going to take this hair clip and just put that there. And then I'll show you guys. So first, I just get the roots like 1 or 2 to 3 times actually, because my roots are very thick. And then I just take the comb. Y'all see my hair smoking? See, that's why it's good if you wash your hair before you do this, because I still have some type of oil in my hair, maybe from like the way I was doing my ponytails and the edge control I was using. So you don't want to do that. So make sure you wash your hair before flat ironing it. And then I'll do it one more time, and then I'm gonna speed up the video. And remember guys, the smaller the sections are, then the flatter, well, let me not say the flatter. The smaller the sections, the better the flat iron is. So I'm just gonna do this one more time, get the roots, and then you can just go down. And with this flat ironer, I just need 1 pass. I don't need to do 2. I just do that to my roots. I'm just gonna take that again, the other half of it, and then get the roots. And my hair may also be smoking because how high I have it, but you don't have to have your flat iron high. But me, I just want my hair to stay straight for a while. So I know it may be heat damage. I know you'll come for me in the comments like, girl, you're burning your hair, but it's my hair. And this is how I do it. And as y'all can see, it has body to it, and it's shiny. And I haven't added really nothing to it, and I'm not going to put any products on it because, like I said, I didn't flat iron my hair. I mean, I didn't wash my hair before, so it may be like a little oily, which it is. So I'm not gonna add anything to my hair. So y'all, this is how it's looking so far. You know, real nice, real nice. Y'all see it. Okay guys, so I am done with this side of my head. I just have this side to do now. This is just one side of my head done, and I'm gonna do the other side. And also, if you guys stay tuned, my next video that I'm gonna be posting will be a video on how to wrap your hair, because I know a lot of people get like Silkpress or they straighten their natural hair and it only lasts for a few days or even a week, when it can last for longer as long as you wrap your hair right. So now guys, I'm gonna do this side of my hair. So I'm gonna do it the same way I just did this side. And if y'all like my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see more, comment down below. And make sure y'all turn on y'all post notifications so y'all can be notified when I post. And y'all see my hair still smoking. Make sure y'all wash y'all hair before y'all do this, because your hair will not be doing this right now, but mine is doing. So the way I'm gonna be styling my hair is because my hair is cut kind of into a bang and it falls this way. So here I'm gonna just part off this right here. It's kind of in the back, and I'm gonna flat iron that, and then I'm gonna start flat ironing towards this way because that's the way my bang lay. What I'm gonna start doing is flat ironing it back to this side. Okay y'all, so this is the finished product of me flat ironing my hair. But now I'm going to style it for you guys. While styling my hair, I'm going to turn my flat iron down because I've had it high while I was trying to get it straight. So now it's straight, so I could turn it down to a lower temperature, so I won't be getting any more heat damage or anything. So honestly, I could stop here, but I kind of like this, honestly. First, y'all, I'm gonna part my hair better. And hold on. I kind of like that curve when I do a side part in my hair. Like, if y'all know what I mean, then you would really. But I kind of don't like a straight back part. I like it to kind of curve and like for it to go long. My hair is like a little shoulder length, chest length, whatever y'all want to call it. But I think it's still short. It's not where I want it to be at yet, but I'm grateful that my hair is growing and I keep cutting it and it keeps growing, so that's good. So y'all, for this, I don't even have to take little sections because my hair is already straight. So here, I'm just gonna kind of bump it there so it can be a little, you know, like a curve like that. That's fine with me. And that's all I need to do. I don't need to go over there a second time because it's no reason to. And then on this side, I'm gonna have to section this off just because this is the whole back. So I'm gonna take it and then just bump it still. And y'all see, I'm trying not to burn myself because I can't really see back there. And And then I'm gonna take this and bump this also like that. Kind of just give it a little curl, but not really. And I'm not gonna comb it out yet because I want it to actually stay like that for a while. So now, I said I had a bang, but my hair has kind of grown since I've been cutting it, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I mean, it ain't gonna work out well, y'all. So I'm gonna have to just comb this and just make it go like that. And now I'm just gonna comb everything out. And now my hair is just, I'm gonna try to bang one more time because I feel like it could be better. But then again, I would have to like cut it for it to look exactly what I'm, like the type of bang I'm looking for. I'm thinking about, I may have to cut it, and I don't want to do that for a bang again because I did it before. Well, I didn't do it, but I had it professionally done. And like, no. So I'm gonna try the flip bang method. No, y'all. I really hate the flip bang, but it kind of doesn't look that bad, y'all. Now I'm just gonna, I don't think I have any more edge control. Oh yeah, I have like barely some. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little edge control here. And then a little right here. And then if I can scrape up some more, cause y'all don't have none really, some right there. And then now I'm gonna take the little edge brush, and then I'm just gonna do that. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just doing something, so don't be like, girl, that's not how you do your edges, cause I don't know. I'm not really like big on edges, but I be trying because I like the way it looks. But this is it for my flat iron video. So this is my hair. This is it. As you guys can see, it is very like straight. It's very silky looking, and this is all for this video. This was how I straighten my natural hair. If you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want more videos, comment down below. And make sure you guys turn on your post notifications for my channel, because I will be posting a video on how to wrap your flat ironed or silk press hair. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.